Hola. Okay. I'm spaced out. Everyone that knows me a little bit can tell. My mind just floats and floats, slowly going up and up and up. And I end up being there up in the clouds, very far away from the real physical place I should be in. I get distracted very easily. But what is there up in the clouds? Well, curiosities. There are many interesting things around us. Well, at least things that I find interesting. Strange angles. Everything that I find colors, distortion. Curious? You say curious? Interesting? Textures. Fun. No, it's like contrast. Visually interesting. I film it. So I ended up having this collection of bubbles, small videos, and water shapes. Now that I look through them, I realize that they help me know myself better. Glass they help me know my tastes, my likes. Boxes. It's kind of like keeping a diary in a way, in a strange way. Strange angles. Legs. Looks like I found my own way of recording my thoughts. Wrinkles. Why? Textures. Crystal glass container. Contrast. Boxes. I forgot. Distortion. Wrinkles. Legs. Textures. Eyes. Things on top of each other. Contrast. Distortion. Wrinkles. Myself. My own mind. Things on top of each other, strange angles, wrinkles, blurry. My thoughts. Blurriness, water shapes, colors, distortion, blurry, texture. Shadow. I'm boring myself. Contrast with this voice of bubbles. I think all these things I find soft things define texture very well. Wrinkle, distortion. Contrast, crystal, water shape, things on top of each other, boxes,
Violeta,
wrinkles,
Violeta, Violeta.